Good day to you all, guys. I hope you are all good. And in this video, I'm going to do this memorandum for this BNU 1501 assignment 2, semester 1, right? Just stay tuned, all right, so that you can see how to attempt this assignment, right? Instead, right, of you just submitting some of the informations that you are not quite so sure, right? So just be with me until the end of this video so you can able to submit your assignment and get at least distinction, right? So remember that it's not a matter of you just selecting the answer here. You need to do the workings, then after that you take the answer and go and search for it. This is how we do it, right? Okay, so if you will need some further help, okay, let me just write here. It's the BNU 1501 memo, right? Then if you will need some further helps, of course, do not hesitate to hit me on my number below here. Here are my numbers. Okay, right. Of course, feel free. I'm here to assist, guys. Right, so without taking any copies of time or without any wasting any copies of time, just allow me to take you through this questions, right? Okay, the first question, which is question 1, they need us to check which one of the following it is a prime number, right? Okay, remember that when we talk about a prime number is a number whereby one can go through a number and the number itself, right? So let's check here. 14, there are a lot of numbers that I can go here, so it won't be fine. And 15 here, there's a lot of numbers that I can go, it won't be fine. Also the 18, there are a lot of numbers, so of course it will be the last number here, because the number that can go through here, it is only 19 and 1, right? You are done with this one. This is the one that is representing the prime number. So in question 2, what is the lowest common multiples of 5, 9, and 15? The lowest common multiple, they're representing the LCM. Okay, how do we find this LCM? You write the 5 down, you said equal to, then you write the 9 down equals 2, then 15 down, which is equals to. Then you break it down, right? This 5 will just remain the way it is. This is 3 to the power of 2. This is just 5 multiplied by 3, right? So therefore, my LCM here, it is going to be the LCM. Remember, I must take everything, but if the number is repeating, I just take it once and I consider the one with the highest exponent. So between the 3 and 3 to the power of 2, I'm selecting 3 to the power of 2. 5 and 5 looks the same. They're equal when it's come to comparing the exponent is 1 and 1. So it's going to be 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. So what you need to do then now is finally you need to multiply this 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. Let me do it on my calculator quickly so that I mustn't do any mistake here. It's 5 by 3 to the power of 2, which is going to give me 45, right? So of course this would be my answer for question 2. So let's move further. Then now here to this question 3. Determine the lowest common multiple of this LCM of the denominator. You need to put into consideration that for denominators, right? So what are the denominators here? It's just 4 and 10 here. So you need to put 4, you put 10 here. So for 4 is 2 to the power of 2, and then for 10 we're going to have 2 multiplied by 5. So therefore my LCM for this is going to be 2 to the power of 2 times 5. All right, this is the same as 4 multiplied by 5, which is going to give me what? Let me see. It's 4 multiplied by 5, which is going to give me 20, right? So there we go, done, right? Number 4, the LCM again, right? This is 3 st, right? To remain as 3 st. Then this is 4 s squared. It's going to be it's gonna be 2 squared s squared. Then the last one, which is 5t squared, it will remain as 5t squared, right? So when I identify my LCM here, of course I need to take the t and t. I'm going to take the one with the highest exponent. The s, I'm also getting the one with the highest exponent, 5, 2, and this one. Okay, so meaning that it's gonna be 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 times 5, and s squared t squared, right? Then you multiply throughout this 3 times 4 times 5, which is giving me 60. So it's gonna be 60 s squared t squared. There we go, guys. Nice to do BNU, right? It's simple. All right, Jackie has 2 electronic this beepers, 1 beeps after every 5 seconds, right? 1 beeps after, okay, and the second beeps after every 9 seconds, right? At what time these both beepers will beep at the same time, right? Into this one. So let me go back again. The Jackie has the 2 electrons beepers, 1 beeps after this every 5 seconds, right? And okay, and the second beeps after the 9 seconds. Okay, at what time these 2 beepers will beep at the same time? Of course, I'm going to take this 5, I multiply it by 9, it's going to be 5 by 9 here. I'm going to get this 45, right? Here we go. Question number 3. Then here they want us to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. All right. So what I'm going to do then now here is this, is to say 19 divided by 4 and see how much I'm getting, right? I am getting 4 with the commas, right? So this 4 will remain the same. This one, it is just this one. So okay, let me just do it like this so that it mustn't confuse you. 19 over 4, you get the decimal here, it's 4,75, right? Then you take this 4 here, you're going to put it here. Okay, you divide it by this 4 here, you put it here. And then now what you need to do here, you're gonna say it is 19 minus 4 times this 4, right? You multiply these two, it's 90, this 19 minus 4 by 4, right? It's gonna be 19 minus into 4 by 4, right? It's giving me 3, so therefore it's gonna be 4 whole number 3 over 4 as your final answer here. So you can see it is number 4 here. Therefore you done. Question 7. Question 7, which 2 fractions are equivalent, right? So what you need to do here, you just have to test, punch the SD of this one, how much you're getting. 5 divided by 2, how much is it? It is 2,5. Then 2 divided by 5, it's 0,4, so automatically it's not correct. 4 divided by 3, I'm getting 1.3 for this one. 8 divided by 6, I'm getting 1.3 for these ones. All right, before anything else, let me also confirm with these other ones. 1 over 1 divided by 4, it is 0.2, 0.25. 2 divided by 4, it is 0.5, which is wrong.